Yo, 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 yo. What up, what up, what up? Okay, so for an NQ, the previous day 50% is what's holding us down here. That's what it's looking like. Flattered, bro. What's the play? We long in or shorting? Yeah, it's looking pretty heavy. So it's looking pretty heavy.
Sorry about that, guys. I'm back. Activision was here. Creators of Call of Duty were here. Oh, they had to order
What?
some food. I have to treat them right. Yeah, Activision is where they make that's like the gaming, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so uh, they're 3 miles away from me, and it's like a highly gated community. They don't let anybody go into their buildings, like heavy security and everything. So they were just here. They ordered a lot of food, so I had to say hi to them, maintain my relationship with them. But let's see what queues are doing. Let's see if our calls. No, good thing we didn't take that. Holy shit.
Yeah, we're rejecting here on the well, not rejecting. Well, we did reject, but the 50% of yesterday is what held us down.
Yeah. Oh, that was literally a fake out.
But we could do it here now. Let's see.
The puts or
Mm,
calls.
I would ideally want calls, but I'm
I
gonna
would
be
go for
extra patient.
calls.
I'm gonna be extra patient this time.
Calls. Let's see what the chat thinks. What do you guys want? Calls or puts? Make up your mind. Calls, puts. Let me. So if we do get into calls, hypothetically, this is what we have. Ceiling number 1 and ceiling number 2. Two ceilings.
Wait, hold up now. My shit was wrong. What the heck?
What? What up?
My levels were wrong.
What?
We're at the previous day low, not the previous day 50.
Oops, how do I get my QQQ chart like yours? Mine is long. What does he mean by that? What do you mean by that? I guess I'm not understanding your question. Oh, like you want to put like the 20 EMA and the VWAP and stuff? Is that what you're asking me? Correction, we are a previous day low on NQ. I made a mistake. I was gonna say that didn't look like okay.
Yeah, I mean, still a level that we rejected off of. It's just the wrong level that I was looking at.
Yeah.
But we're still rejecting if you want calls.
We literally need to break this. Trying hitting the A in the lower corner.
Dude, if we continue dropping, there's a lot to grab on the left.
So this was the fake palm. So this is what we're actually looking. Okay.
Yeah, there's
So
a
I think
lot
this is
down
what's
here.
gonna happen. This is my thesis. We're gonna come to this level right here. We're gonna reject off this level, go here, bounce, and then we can A68 101. We are in this selling channel.
Yeah, it wouldn't be a bad idea because we're not making higher
Yeah.
highs.
So this is my thesis. Yep. And see, guys, look. Lower high, a lower high, a lower high, another lower high. It's going to come down to this level. My thesis. Come back up here. We could take the puts back here and play this bad boy to the downside. But we do have to be careful of today's low, which is 617.73. Okay. Does that sound like a game plan?
Yeah, this 4 hour does not look bullish at all. Yeah, I'm away. Let's see what it does.
All right, look what I just told you guys. Now it's buyers are coming in. I have a feeling it's gonna come back up. Either reject FR 20 EMA, and then we could take the puts. So get your guys' things ready so you guys actually get filled in this time. I'm ready. We just had a banger trade, and I think we can catch another one together. And I will move my stop loss. Keep a very tight stop loss. Okay. Right here. There we go. That's more realistic. Like I said, we have 2 levels to break. First need to break this level right here, and I'll change that color for you guys. I'll change that color so it's very clear to us. So we have this black line that we need to break, and then we also need to break this one right here. So that is the pullback that we needed. Not in anything yet. I do want it to hit that line. We could get a better fill, a better entry for everybody. And then we will play the puts or the short. Let's see. Let's see.
You just entered calls. Is this on your XFA, Flattered?
None of us will win. Sheesh, timing. All right, guys, get your puts ready. If you guys are options trading, get this ready right now. Want to be looking at the 620 puts QQQ. I think 621 is too expensive for you guys. So let's see. Second scenario now. The second scenario that we all have to pay attention. If a candle is going to be closing above this line and heading up, that means we're going to come all the way back up to this resistance. That is something to keep in mind, by the way, just to let you guys know. Like I said earlier, I said we have to break this line, have this barrier right here that we need to break, and then this barrier right here. So just kind of keep that in mind. Keep that in the back of your head. Buyers do look like they are getting weaker. Buyers do look like they are getting weaker. Buyers do look like they are getting weaker. And if you guys are a futures trader, you could be looking at Sam's chart, options trader, you can be looking at my chart. but they're both initially going to be the same. So right at the 20 EMA right here, right at the 20 EMA. See, when you zoom in a lot more, literally want to be getting rejected right off here. Lower high, another lower high, another lower high, and I expect another lower high around this area. Even if you're not taking the trades, guys, this is still good educational stuff. All about timing. It's all about theta. If you're a futures trader, there's no theta, so you don't have to worry about those things.
No theta. It's my favorite line.
No theta. No theta.
No theta. Yeah, I'm for sure waiting, dude. I want this to be clear to me. Like I wanna feel stupid if I don't take it. That's what I wanna feel.
Yeah. We are not in a rush to do anything. Not in a rush.
Yeah, no rush at all. Cause
No rush. No
I mean,
rush, guys. No rush.
I mean, it's bearish until it's not, and
no rush for anything.
that can change in an instant.
Exactly. We are not in a rush. Not in a rush for anything.
I have this hourly support that's holding up pretty well.
We are not in a rush for anything.
If this 15, the way it's going, if it closes back above inside the previous day range, I might take a stab at it. But other than that, I'm just letting it close and do its thing. We got 7-8 minutes till.
So we broke now out of this range. It did not reject. Trade is invalid at that point. Trade is invalid. I'm gonna blow my nose. I'll be right back.
Okay, we're touching that level. So if we reject here, completely wicks us out. Not wick us out, but like it just erases this move here. We'll see. Yeah, it's looking really good, but again, I want this 15-minute to close. The 15-minute has to close. Okay, let me find out what the risk would be like. So I'm switching to my practice account to see what that would be. So if I were to risk 50 points, 481, 25. That would be about $300 of risk. Okay. Yeah, if I get an entry, I'm going to do 3 micros. That's what I'm going to do. Okay, let's see. I'm looking along this. If this 15-minute closes above right here, I'm looking along. Yes, but not yet, not yet. Well, for me at least. Not yet for me. So I'm going to go 3 micros if I get what I get here. Wow, this is an awesome candle. If I jumped the gun and went for an entry, I would have done it here. But just based off of like the overnight session, the way we've been trading, this is the previous day low. So I was kind of worried. I was worried that this would just reject again. But this time it just broke through. Broke through, no sweat. Because I mean, you guys right here, look, it just did it. It did it just recently. Okay, perfect. Okay. So now this one, I want this to wick down. Give it a little retest right there, and then I'll enter on the when it flips green. No way, it just leaves us here. I want to go long. How much you up on this? $50? You just caught a 130 point move. You're probably up $50, huh? 67, bro. 600 bucks. That's dope. Yeah, I'm not rushing this here. I'm not rushing at all. The thing with New York though, the thing you guys gotta keep in mind with futures trading, you gotta have good trade placement. Cause what if I do enter here? What if I enter here long, and then we do decide to retest this level, and then now I'm just caught in red. I'm seeing red while it takes care of all that, so I'm in no rush. And if it leaves without me, that's fine. I am perfectly fine with that. Ooh, did you take your 67 bucks? Okay, let's see what it does here. I like this here. We might take the enter here. Let's just see though. Resistance. And now let's see if it respects it as a support. If it does, I'll probably take my entry here. But if not, let's see the retest of this major level we just broke through. I'm going 3 micros, and I'm going to be risking about 300 bucks. If we get the entry. Okay, my stop buy is going in. If it flips green, I'm in on this 5 minute. I'll take my chances there. First trade of the day on these fundeds here. Okay, we got the test right here. Let's see. And for clarification, if you're not aware, I take my entries this way because of this here. So I don't enter, and then it just completely, it just continues going lower and lower and lower. I do not want to be a part of this. I want to be a part of it when there's volume to the upside of going with my trade idea.
What up? What up? What up?
Yo, 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 yo.
What's up,
What up,
you guys?
man?
Anything?
Okay, we're tapping onto the level. Let's see if it respects it.
It's moving all funky this
Yeah,
morning,
it is.
dude.
I like the way it went
Little-
right back into the previous day. So I'm gonna take my chances on it. Cause that 15-minute candle was nice. Fucking guess who? Coobs is with Activision right now, bro.
So what?
Coobs is with Activision. He said.
Really?
Yeah.
Like they're at their restaurant?
Yeah.
The fuck?
He's
That's
planning
crazy.
Black Ops 8 right now with him.
That's fucking wild.
Yeah, it's not looking good. I'm canceling my order. This is exactly why we don't just jump into positions like that, because of this here. It's looking pretty heavy. Yeah, it's way too fucking heavy. Okay, but we are where I said I would have entered, but the speed of where it's going to it, I am not liking that. The speed that we're getting to this area. Flatter, are you still in that long?
Ladders and longs, dude. What's going on?
I know.
Check out IWM. Yeah, man. All-time high right now, dude. Play the rejection. I wouldn't be surprised if it came down.
Yeah, I'm as of right now, I'm uninterested in anything. I'm just gonna let it do its thing. You're still in that long, bro? How big is your stop? All the way at 5:30. Oh yeah, you got stopped out, buddy. Yeah, on the 5 minute, we just inversed all these gaps right here. We could see
if we
lower.
break, 684.21, dude, I'm gonna look for puts.
Yeah, man, it's looking heavy as hell.
That's yeah. If we break that, then for sure we're gonna come down. We can target all the way down to 682.17 back to the low day.
For NQ,
Just
there's a
need
lot to grab on the left. A lot to grab.
NQ's levels a lot sooner. NQ we can look at well QQ we can look at 619.30. 619.30. That's what we wanna
The
we're gonna
big
look to
level I would
break.
want for NQ is a 193.25, 193.50.
We break structure on that, it's gonna be game time. We're moving down.
It's another 300 points. I mean, we dumped. What was this from the 400? Almost. No, that's 300 points. Yeah. What's another 300? Yeah, I think I'm gonna play the rejection if we get the close here, but let's see. Nasty. Okay, in the meantime, I'm gonna go find a shirt to iron. I'll be right back.
Yeah. Manipulation happening right now, guys. You just gotta stay patient. This looks really nasty. Holy shit.
Yeah, I'm still hands off. I'm not even. I'm just gonna wait.
Once we break those levels that I said, I mean, it's literally just ranging right now. Tough. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah, I mean, we're not talking. We're just waiting, bro. One thing for sure, though, because I got to get going here. One thing for sure, if you're looking at the futures market here, if you're looking to possibly get a trade, you can see that we keep making lower highs, and then a higher lows. So I think we just keep squeezing, get tighter and tighter, tighter here until we do something. 600 bucks to 70, that's crazy. But that's for sure what's happening. So we're gonna break out to one direction.
I mean, this morning, fuck, it looked like we were just gonna fucking tank,
Yeah.
and then it just kind of recovered tough. But then, like, now it's just ranging, it's chopping, and it's just chopping super tough, like in between
Yeah.
this $2 range. You just gotta stay patient.
Yeah, definitely patience, and this range keeps getting tighter and tighter and tighter. So let's see what it does. But I'm hands off, and I gotta get going anyway. Unless we see some magic right here.
Yeah, we'll see. 619.30 is what I'm waiting for Kiki Q. Unless we want to break back to the upside, which I don't think it's gonna happen. It's been getting rejected tough right now, so see what happens. There's more room to the downside for sure. Upside looks there's just too much resistance. All time high, fucking different levels, sellers blocks, all kinds of crazy shit. So we'll see what happens. But I do really want it to break.
Okay. Well, in the meantime, keep getting ready. I'll be watching when I walk by. All right. I'll be back right now.
IWM making more all the time. I can't. Bruh, there's no fucking way that this is
Up, what up? Looks like we're still in those ranges, it seems like. Futures, this is a futures dream. Options trading, not so much.
IWM, fucking all-time high again, bro. Holy. Yeah. It's scary though. It's like I could bench it though. Kiki huge chopped right now. Hope you all made money on Kiki though. That was a nice play. That was a beautiful play.
They didn't make any money.
Huh?
They didn't get filled in.
Oh man. It's alright. We'll look for another one. Just gotta
They
be
jumped.
patient. Stay
I told them,
patient.
I told them with
Let
QQQs, even when it jumps like 10 cents or 20 cents, I mean, you're still kind of within that range because it moves so quickly. By the time I
yeah.
called it up, they told me it jumped to 220. No rush for nothing. I don't know. I mean, just based on looking like this, I mean, we're in this range: up, down, up, down, up,
Yeah, it's just
down.
super choppy right now. There's just we gotta wait till
There's no clear direction. Whatever play you take, 50-50.
yeah, for now. Yeah. We gotta wait for something to fucking happen.
Like literally, for puts to actually be valid, it needs to break this resistance right here, second resistance, get back in this selling channel. But I wanted to take puts here. I said if we bounce off this line, we're gonna take the puts, and then I see that it cross. I got another candle close above, scratched it right away. Scratched it right away. Oh, I don't know. Market's kind of
Funky.
Yeah, it's doing this uncertainty, even though we had rate cuts and everything yesterday. But I don't know. You know, guys, it's Christmas time. Tax season is coming up. People tend to sell their trades that are at a loss. Lots of selling now for either profit taking, tax write off. So
We're gonna
don't
see
be
some.
surprised.
We're gonna see some selling pressure soon.
You think so?
I think so. Yeah, I think we're gonna. It's gonna set up one time before.
Are
We'll
you
get a
talking
nice
about
rally.
overall or today?
No, I'm talking about overall. I don't know about
Oh,
today. Maybe
overall.
today might
Okay.
happen. We might see it, dude. It just needs to break down. Either break down or just fucking shoot up. If it shoots up, breaks, break resist this critical level, um, then then we can play calls. But I'm just not convinced yet, just because it's looking pretty bearish. IWM, I mean, but right now we're just consolidating top. I think that it's consolidating right now to take a bigger move down. But we'll see. We'll see. I think the rally will start next week. But shit, you never know. We could start it now. Who the fuck knows? So just depends on when buyers. I mean, buyers stepped in fuck ton yesterday. They're kind of stepping in right now. Um,
We'll see. Hopefully, we'll have a Santa rally, but we'll see. We'll see.
yeah. Let's see. Look at that, dude. Fucking. I've been trying to test all time high again. Trying to make a new one, dude. Holy. And it's making it. Just made another all time high. Yeah, the bids and asks don't look.
Same idea. Same idea. Get the close, wick down, and then I'm in if it
Yeah,
turns
just
green.
take that 588, my guy.
For what?
I
What about 588?
needs to break 588, 25,588 for NQ.
Yeah.
Am I reading that wrong or?
No, no, no. I see it. I see it.
Oh, okay, yeah.
If it closes here, wicks down,
Yep.
and then comes back green, I'm taking my entry.
And then your second level is 627, which would be your second barrier that you'd need to break. But yeah, 588 is the first. If you break that, call or longs are valid, excuse me. And then your second point of resistance would be at 628.
Okay, here we go. Wick down. Give me the wiki. Go on, baby.
Actually, it just might be just a range day. I mean, if it's gonna come all the way down again to 466, 456, now you're just kind of looking at a range at this
Yeah.
point. Now you're actually just looking at a range. My friend from Qatar said long.
Bruh. Give me a
Said
little bit
use
farther down.
buy up.
Full port the shore!
Yo, Flattered. How often do you say this one? How often do you say this one? Be honest.
Oh my god, I'm getting smoked again.
Oh my god, I'm getting smoked right now.
Oh my god. I'm
Okay,
getting
I'll put my
smoked
orders
again.
in. If it flips green, I'm in. I'm in. $300
longs?
risk.
All right.
That is my entry, 3 micros. Oh shit. I'm messing up here. There we go.
3 micros.
Let's go, baby. If we take this high, I'm going break even. Give me a little push. Push, baby, push. I really love this 15-minute recovery. I am not looking at the 15-second chart. You don't need to stop. I don't know if I should get out because Flattered's long. Flattered, you're making me hesitate, bro.
Flattered is never long.
Okay, we're up a hundo. Up a hundo. Off 3 micros.
Crazy business.
It's a lot of money. There we go. There we go, baby. Don't be shy. Come on now. Told you. What do you mean? You were long and you're short in the same sentence, bro. There we go, baby. Okay, I'm securing one. I'm securing one contract here. And I'm just going to go break even here. I'll break even. Risk free. Risk free. Risk free. Boom. Let's go, baby. Let's look at this. Look at this push, bro. I'm stumbling my words right now. I mean, he said our long is about. Let's go, baby. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Okay, I might eat my oatmeal and watch this. Some NQ long skis. Gamble long, bro. Flattered, shut up, bro. This is not a gamble. Nobody took your Qatar play. Oh my god, bro. Let's go, bro. We pushing, baby. Mm. I'm gonna take another one off here. Okay, down to my last one. Down to my last runner. Since this is a runner, I think I would be a little bit optimistic here and aim for the previous day high. Way up there. What do you guys think? You know, just another 250 points. 250. Some light. It's a runner, so it being a runner, I don't care what it does. Stop loss or take profit. You know, it's funny you say that because in 30 seconds you're gonna be short. Watch. Shorting. Yeah, I don't care if it dumps here on break even. Again, if you guys didn't hear, I'm break even and I take my partial, so I'm happy with this. One red wick. One red wick. What are you talking about, bro? Is that what the algo is saying? Asta, bro, with this next payout, I'm gonna take you to Disneyland. You need to get out of the house in Torrance. It'll be a whole thing, bro. Disneyland, the beach. Oh man. No, nothing like that, bro. Oh man. That's funny. Okay, we for sure broke that 588 level you were talking about, Coobs. For sure. Let's see it, Moon. All right, y'all. I'm gonna head out of here. I gotta get going. I'm just gonna trail this a little bit higher up to like,
It's out.
yeah, man. I'm gonna trail this to like $15 because if it fails, then my PNL will be 150, and that's the minimum to count towards a day out pay. Payout day is what I meant. Yeah. So if it fails and it hits my stop loss, today counts as a payout day. So TP or SL, that is the trade. So, all right, y'all. I'll catch you guys later. See ya.
Adios.